I want to spend just 2 minutes to talk about my brokers and my account before opening some live trades. This is the account that I have created for the courses that I have on Udemy, so most of times you will see me trading with this account when I record a video for my students. I have deposited £10,000 and I will use this live account just to show example of trades that are related to the course. I will not make any withdrawal or deposit, or at least not for now. Having said that, this is not my main account. I have my main account with LMAX that you see here. Then I also have another account with IG Markets, and I'm testing just with a demo account for now, XTB, that is completely new to me. I like to have multiple accounts and diversify my risk even in this way, because even if I trust these brokers, you never know. For example, some years ago I had an account with ATC brokers that I used to consider the best broker ever seen. Then they got into some troubles and declared bankruptcy. It didn't affect me directly because I have been able to withdraw my money, but I'm not sure if it has been that easy for US traders. Anyway, after that situation, I started to have more than one broker. So why did I deposit some money into Oanda account instead of using my main account? There are several reasons. The first one is that I live off Forex trading and I need to withdraw some money from time to time. So my main account is not easy to follow because I often withdraw money and I also adjust frequently my positions to my new balance. Also, I have some long-term investments that can create confusion if mixed with short-term trades. Another reason is that I don't want to put myself under pressure showing my results and my income to thousands of students. You know that Forex trading is a psychological game. At least with my main account I want to trade with peace of mind. Having said that, I don't want to avoid my responsibilities. I am an instructor, so I need to prove that what I teach is applicable and you can make money out of it. That's why I created this account, so I will show you live trades with it and hopefully I will be able to let it grow month by month.